Hello dear science learners, welcome to the Grade 4 Science Learning Activities. Are you ready to learn another concept? I am your teacher Martino, your learning buddies in exploring the science. The fourth quarter of the Grade 4 Science focuses on the Earth and space. The Earth has three components which are the soil, the water, and the gas, which the sun is the main source of energy. Soil is a very important natural resource on Earth made up of tiny particles of rocks in decayed plants and animals. It also contains water and some gases found at the uppermost layer. Land is composed of 29% of the Earth's surface. 71% of the Earth's surface is composed of water. So now let's focus on our topic for today. Our topic for today is all about the types of soil and its characteristics. Types of soil and its characteristics. Clay is one of the many types of soil that are distinguished as soil in which the particles are packed tightly together with each other with little or no air space. Because of these characteristics, clay is the densest and heaviest type of soil. Defining factors: fine particles, smooth when dry, sticky when wet, retains water, drains poorly, less spaces to let air pass, rich in nutrients, and cool and dense. Ideal for crops like leafy vegetables, peas, tomatoes, and peppers. Second types of soil is sandy soil, are one of the worst types of soil to grow any kind of plants in. This is because sandy soil has one of the largest particles and that prevents the soil from retaining water, making it hard for the roots of plants to establish. Defining factors: large particles, dry and gritty to touch, easily drains water, less water retention, warm and airy, even when wet, easily crumbles through the fingers, lack essential nutrients. Ideal for crops like watermelons, peanuts, and peaches, tulips, cistus, and hibiscus. Lastly, loamy soil is one of the perfect types of soil because it is a mix of sand, clay, silt, and even some humus. The pH level of loamy soil is 6 with high calcium levels. The specific components of loamy soil can vary, but with the right balance of additives, it can be made ideal. Defining factors: well-drained, fertile, mixture of sand, silt, and clay, retains water, retains nutrients, strong granular structure, soft and crumbly, easy to work with, well aerated. Ideal for crops like tomatoes, carrots, turnips, and potatoes, roses, amaryllis, marigolds, and zinnias. Did you know that soil has layers? First is the topsoil, the subsoil, the substratum or parent rock, and last is the bedrock. So now, let's discuss them one by one. The first layer of soil is the horizon A or topsoil. The topsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil. This layer is rich with organic materials called humus and with minerals needed for plant growth. Humus comes from decaying plants and animals. The soil's dark color is an indication of the presence of humus. Several kinds of plants can be seen growing in this layer. Di ito ng lupa ay mayaman sa organikong pataba mula sa nabubulok na hayop at mga halaman. Ito ay may maitim na kulay dahil sa presensya ng mga bulok na hayop at halaman na nagsisilbing pataba nito. Sa bahagi ito, tumutubo ang mga halaman. In the topsoil, we can see mushroom, beetles, worms, dead leaves. The second layer of the soil is the horizon B or the subsoil. The subsoil is located just below the topsoil. It is composed of loosely arranged rocks, sand, and clay. This layer is very rich with minerals that drain from topsoil. When the topsoil is washed out, the subsoil alone cannot support plant life. Bahaging ito ng lupa ay matatagpuan matapos ang topsoil. Ito ay binubuo ng magkakahiwalay na piraso ng maliit na bato at ibang klase ng lupa. Ang bahaging ito ay mayaman sa mineral na nasala sa topsoil. Umabot dito ang ugat ng malalaking puno. In subsoil, we can see roots, moles, rabbits, snakes, and turtles. The third soil layer is the horizon sea, or the parent rock. The parent rock is composed of rocks that are slowly breaking apart. It is exposed to very little weathering. It does not contain necessary nutrients and water needed for plant growth. Bahagi ito ng lupa ay binubuo ng mga tipak na batong nagbibitak-bitak. Ito ang bahaging nakakaranas ng weathering at pagbabago-bago, physical dulot ng gawaing tao o di kaya naman likas na gawa ng kalikasan. In subtatrum, we can see medium-sized rocks, light-colored soil. And lastly, the horizon D or the bedrock. The bedrock is the lowest of the soil layers. It is made up of undisturbed large boulders and gravels. This layer contains materials that are good for constructing buildings and making roads. No plant life can survive in this layer. Ito ay ang pinakahuling bahagi ng lupa. Ito ay binubuo ng matigas na graba at mga bagay na maaaring gamitin sa pagpapatayo ng building at pagpapatayo ng kalsada. Hindi nabubuhay ang mga halaman o puno sa bahaging ito. Bedrock, we can see large, huge, big, gigantic rocks.